Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing two popular smartphone cases, the Speck Presidio Pro and the Casemate Soap Bubble. The big question is, which one offers better grip? Let's find out. The Speck Presidio Pro is designed with a grippy, soft-touch finish that provides excellent traction. Its outer layer is made from a durable textured material that makes it easy to hold, even during extended use. The case features raised rubberized edges around the screen and camera, which not only add protection but also enhance the grip. The Presidio Pro's ergonomic design is tailored for comfort, offering a secure feel in your hand, even if your hands are slightly damp or sweaty. On the other hand, the Casemate Soap Bubble offers a unique design with a smooth, glossy surface that still provides a good amount of grip. Its TPU material is flexible yet sturdy, offering a tactile feel that prevents slipping. The soap bubble case includes a raised, protective lip around the screen and camera area, but its smooth texture may not provide as much grip as the more textured Presidio Pro. However, its translucent finish and bubble-like design give it a stylish look while still offering decent traction for regular use. Which one offers better grip? The Speck Presidio Pro has the advantage when it comes to grip, thanks to its textured, rubberized surface that provides more traction and comfort in the hand. While the Casemate Soap Bubble offers a good grip, its smoother finish doesn't compare to the Presidio Pro's more tactile feel. Which one would you choose for grip? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.